thanks, Hi, for that wonderful introduction. So I'm Byung. I've been working on this tool called Sourcegraph that I hope you guys will find useful. It's code search, but with a catch. And that catch is it shows you usage examples for functions that you're looking at, and you can jump to definition like you can in cool IDE. So to start off with a quick poll, how many people look at code on GitHub here? OK, cool. So almost all of you. So imagine if, as you're browsing on GitHub, you click on a file like this. Oh, sorry. Go to a different project. You click on, you're browsing some like cool Python code, like looking at Flask, and you click on a file like this, and all the code you look at is fully linked. And when you click on something like this, it jumps to the definition of that thing in code, and on the side it gives you usage examples of how else it's used, and like you can click around and do a bunch of other cool things. So this is what I'm going to be talking about today. So Sourcegraph is what you just saw is the Chrome extension, but it basically just links to Sourcegraph, the site, which is this code search engine. So if you go to sourcegraph.com, you can type in the name of a function that you care about. So like Django, I don't know, like query set or something like that. It's a little bit slow right now, but we're working on that. Click on the result. If you ever wondered about like who else uses query set, how they use it, you can like click on all these and explore around. So that in a nutshell is what it does. And so basically, we started working on Sourcegraph because we wanted like all the cool features that you have in like an IDE, like Eclipse or a language like Java, but for languages like Python and for like all the open source code on the web. So we just launched this new version of the site recently. There's obviously a lot of bugs still to get through. So we want your feedback. Check out the site. Download the Chrome extension if it looks interesting to you, and please, let us know what you think of it. What else? So you can click around, you can find usage examples. I think one of the other cool things is if you're like a repository maintainer or like an author of a repository, good projects often have like usage examples embedded in the documentation, but sometimes it's annoying to keep those usage examples up to date. And so if you think that like linking to Sourcegraph, sending your like users of your library to Sourcegraph to show them like live usage examples that are kept up to date as long as like the code still runs and is intact, that's like another use case. Let's see what else. So what I just showed you is the site, but we are releasing an API soon. So if you're interested in building anything on top of this, we're also releasing the source code analysis library that this is built on top of. So if you want to build in like smart support to like your favorite text editor or anything like that, please like talk to me or shoot me an email. We would love to like have you test it out and see how it goes. And that's basically it. Any questions?